Hi. The module that we're going to cover now is Module 3.4, the inverse property for addition and multiplication. What does that word mean, inverse? Well, in math, it means to do the opposite operation. So you have two properties with the inverse. We have the additive inverse. And what does that mean? Additive means add. So when I take any real number and I add its opposite, it gives me back 0. And 0 in addition is the identity property, which is what we covered in Module 3.3. The multiplicative inverse, I know that's hard to say, but multiplicative inverse property is a little bit different. When you multiply by the inverse of a number, instead of just saying the opposite of 5 is -5, that would be additive inverse. The multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal. You have to know what the word reciprocal means. Reciprocal means to take any number and flip it like a fraction. So if I had the number 1/2 and I wanted the reciprocal, it would be 2/1, because I take the numerator and the denominator and I flip their place. So the multiplicative inverse property states, if I multiply any number times its reciprocal or its inverse, the answer I get is 1. And crazy enough, the 1 is the multiplicative identity, which is also what we covered in 3.3. So now we're going to go to the board and do a few additive inverses and multiplicative inverses.